Hello and welcome to the channel. Here we use Microsoft Word to create art. We use the Microsoft Office shapes and drawing tools in Word. In this video, I'm going to make a sneaker made from ramen noodles. I'm going to go Insert, Shapes, and I'm just going to select the curve line. Okay, we'll start out over here. And to switch directions, I just left click. Okay, then I hit escape. I'm going to shape outline. I choose the color. And I also change the weight. I now go into Shape Effects, Bevel. I select the bevel. Once that is done, Shape Effects, Shadow, choose Shadow. And then I go into Format Shapes, choose the second icon, choose the color, brown, set the transparency lower, like that. Change it to fixed position, and then I can bring it in as well. Make it a little more compact. And I just copy it, paste. I can just change the appearance of it. Also make sure the shape fill, there's no fill. I think this one also has shape fill, no fill. Okay. Put these together. Reverse it both ways. Edit points. Delete. Bring this one down like that. This part, I'm just going to draw it any direction. Okay. Shape outline. The weight now. Perfect. Shape effects, shadow. Icon. Change the color. Bring down the transparency. This background, shape fill. Okay, I'm going to go Insert, Shape, Star, Shape Fill, No Fill. Change the weight. Just want to move it like this. Maybe make it smaller. Transparency. Like that. Change that. I'm just going to change the bevel here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.